All right, guys. 200, 300, and 400 grams of seed in each of these troughs. Here we go.
And this for, Rob, is that I would open that up. There they are, wet, just like that, rained upon.
Here, pull that out again for a sec.
Nice.
What are you doing here?
That's just 300 grams in a bay to look at. And then this one is 400 up here.
Okay.
So you just see more. Obviously, you're working to figure out the production.
Because you want to, what's the idea here? Why do you care so much about weighing the seeds and figuring out what's up with that?
Well, from a math point or a business point, we'll call it return on investment. If your investment is $2 in seeds, and from those $2, you get $10, 5 times that amount, then you've done well and you can mark that. If you're growing the amount of seed a little less than $2, say $1.50, which is 75% of that, and then your return on that is 6 or 7 versus 10, which is a 5-to-1 ratio, and you've got a 4-to-1 ratio, well then obviously growing the more seeds is producing more for you for your return. So that's we're trying to dial into that number where we get the most amount of growth per seed on the tray.
Yeah, I'm wondering if it's because it didn't grow, if there's a limit to how many can grow. Why wouldn't you just plant as much as you could?
Oh, that's a great question, but you know, we're covered by X number of square inches per bay and per tray, and if you put too much, you get waste. So we're trying to get the best rate of germination. So if the rate of germination is 100%, that means every single seed germinated and grew and would be the best. If you got 75% rate of germination, well, 25% of your seed is wasted. So by doing the science behind what will germinate and grow the most, we can then determine how much seed to put on the tray to maximize our return.
All right, so there you have it. What do you think is going to be better? What's best for your money? So what's your most efficient amount per tray? And is it 200 grams, 300 grams, or 400 grams?
What is?
Holy cow. All right, so holy cow. Mr. David.
So this is one tray that's been in for, I don't know, 10, 12 days. And has hundreds and hundreds, thousands and thousands of sunflower greens ready for harvest. Now remember, these are hydroponic or aeroponically grown. I would say technically aeroponic because we're not putting them in water. We are misting water from above onto them, so there's no soil. So when it comes time to harvest, it's fantastic because you're just taking the greens, grabbing them, snipping with the scissors, and putting them into the harvest, and you have no dirt, nothing to mess with. Obviously they need a cleaning beforehand and some agitation, and the seed heads pop off, but you can see how the seed heads just fling off when you pull them. And compared to cleaning something that's been grown in dirt and harvesting, literally this is 10 times easier.
It is. It is. I'm so excited. This stuff is delicious. All right.
coming.